Taiwan's stock market just hit another all-time high, but here's the catch: foreign investors dumped nearly 20 billion Taiwan dollars worth of shares in a single day. The Taiwan Weighted Index closed yesterday at 45,380.52 points, up just 0.06%. But volume shrank to about 1.06 trillion Taiwan dollars. Subscribe to Taiwan Tech Pulse. We bring you what Taiwan's own analysts are saying, before Wall Street catches on. Got a Taiwan tech story you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. That low volume tells you something: big money is cautious. 3 major institutional investors were net sellers to the tune of 21.066 billion Taiwan dollars, with foreign investors alone net selling 19.577 billion. But here's the twist: investment trusts were net buyers, scooping up 9.609 billion Taiwan dollars worth of shares. So while foreign funds are pulling back, local institutions see value. Now let's talk about what actually moved. The big winner yesterday was the silicon wafer sector, and it's directly tied to a name you know, Micron. Micron just signed a 10-year long-term procurement contract, and that sent Taiwan's wafer stocks through the roof. GlobalWafers, ticker 6488 on the Taiwan Exchange, hit the daily limit up and closed at an all-time high of 1,485 Taiwan dollars. Wafer Works, ticker 6182, also hit the daily limit up and closed at 189.5 Taiwan dollars on 18-year high volume. Other silicon wafer names like Formosa Sumco and Kinnick rode the wave too. So what does this mean for Nvidia and AMD? Wafer supply is the foundation for chip production. If Micron is locking in long-term supply, that signals strong demand for memory and logic chips, which are critical for AI hardware. Nvidia's GPUs and AMD's MI300 accelerators all need wafers, and this procurement deal suggests the supply chain is bracing for sustained AI growth. But not every sector was celebrating. Military and drone stocks also surged, driven by policy support in Taiwan. Evergreen Aviation Technologies hit the daily limit up. AIDC surged on heavy volume. Zentria hit the daily limit up at 118 Taiwan dollars, and CF Precision broke out of consolidation. This is a theme to watch. Taiwan is doubling down on domestic defense and aerospace production, which could mean more orders for local suppliers down the road. On the flip side, the MLCC, or passive components sector, got hammered. Yageo and Walsin Technology both fell sharply, with the entire MLCC sector down 8.97%. Analysts say foreign investors and major players were taking profits. Copper-clad laminates, or CCL stocks, also took a hit. Taiwan Union, Elite Material, and ITEC all fell below their 5-day moving average. The reason? Market expectations for Nvidia's GB200 upgrade are already priced in, so there's no fresh catalyst to push these stocks higher. That's a classic sell the news pattern, and it's a reminder that even in a booming AI supply chain, not every stock goes up forever. So here's the bottom line: Taiwan's market is showing a clear split between sectors with real demand catalysts, like wafers tied to Micron's contract, and sectors that have already run up on hype. For US investors watching names like Nvidia, AMD, and Apple, this is a leading indicator. When Taiwan's wafer stocks hit new highs on long-term procurement deals, it suggests the AI build-out is still in early innings. But when MLCC and CCL stocks fall because expectations are already baked in, it warns that some parts of the supply chain might be getting ahead of themselves. Keep an eye on those wafer names. They're telling you where the real money is flowing in Asia's tech ecosystem.